Hey, what's up guys? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint, and excuse the video size here with the text in the middle. I'm going to tell my support girls to start putting this back in Google Docs because it's just too small here, I believe, to record on video when I do a screen like this. And I can't record, anyway, whatever. Here's the question. We got a question about rust from Paul Delio. VIP member. Tony, quick question. I have a motorcycle tank that I'm painting out and took it down to bare metal. It has 2 rust spots on it. It is deep and I can't remove it. My question is, can I use a rust inhibitor on it, then 2K primer over it, and then go over my base coat and clear coat? Yes, absolutely. That's the way to do it. My only thing is you have to make sure you scuff the treated area before you put filler primer on it, okay? So you might be using like a Naval Jelly rust inhibitor or I guess a product like this or the Loctite Naval Jelly here. Okay, whatever you're using, you can also even use a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar. So that's a product that I make and use myself. You can just get white vinegar, mix it 50-50 with water, and just after you sand the area and you have your bare metal, your surface rust exposed, right? Just treat it. Just get a rag with some vinegar water, put it on it. It's going to turn like a darker color. Then after that, after it dries, then you could just wipe the area down quick with a wet rag, let that dry, and then scuff it with your, I don't know, 150 grit before you 2K filler prime. Okay, then you can block it out, and if it looks like you still have a little bit of pitting in the area in the metal, then what you could do is actually put some spot putty on top of it and then block that out to fill the pitting in the metal. So that's pretty much it. If you have holes, it's a different issue because you'd probably be cutting and welding a new piece of sheet metal in. But you're doing a motorcycle tank, so I doubt you're doing that. So hopefully this answers your question and hopefully it helps. We actually cover this in VIP. If you look at the 1932 Ford series, the Model A Ford that we did, the Model T, I believe, then you can actually see how we did the rust treatment on those metal areas. So just remember that before putting any kind of filler over the treated metal, give it a quick scuff. This way your products will actually stick to it. All right. So I hope you liked the video. If you guys are new watching the video, don't forget to go to learnautobodyandpaint.com. Here you can click this free book that goes here. You can get a free 85-page auto body manual as well as you could do here. You could check out the blog. There's tons of information on the blog at learnautobodyandpaint.com. And also don't forget to check out VIP, where we have a unbelievable step-by-step auto body course with over 150 hours of training material, plus the Facebook group and support and everything in between. So that's pretty much it. If you're new on YouTube or new watching this video, all you have to do to get this information is click the link here. If you are on mobile, right up over here on YouTube, there's going to be a little card that drops down. You can click that. You'll go to learnautobodyandpaint.com. You can also get more information in the description down below. If you're on a desktop, click that. There's going to be a transcript of this, also links to the website, and so much more. Talk soon. Have a great day. Bye.